Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. To take this hair clip, now take small section of the hairs, roll it and fix it inside each section of the clip as shown in the video. Divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits. Fix it on the top using this hairpin like this. So you can see how we are fixing it and it's done. Next we have to take this hairband. Now fix it on the hairs. Now take the hairs in these small sections from both the sides and fix it in the empty space like this. So you can see how we are doing it. So keep continuing it like this and you have to take it till the end in the same manner as we are doing here. So you can see how we are doing it. Keep fixing it till the end like this. Keep putting it one by one as shown in the video and fix it like this till the end. So take the hairs like this and then at the end you have to tie the rubber band and fix the hairs. So you can see it's done. Next you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Take the hairs again and then rotate it like this. Fix it on the top as well and from the other side. Now join the hairs on the downside and then fold it and fix it using a hairpin. Put the bun pin on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Next you have to put a rubber band and fix the hair clip. Take the hairs from the sides and fix it inside the hair clips in these small sections. Put two sections of the hairs together in a single clip like this. So you can see. Keep fixing it. And your hairstyle is ready. Don't forget to make the plaits and fold it upward and put the hairpin. And it's done. Next you have to take the hairs and roll it and then put the hair clip. Again repeat the process. Put the hair inside the hair clips by folding it like this. Now tie the hairs together on the top and then fold it down and fix it using the bun pin like this. And your hair bun is ready. Next take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Put the hair clutch over it. Tie the hairs and divide it from the between like this and then rotate it upward and fix it. Put the hair clip like this. Now tie it with the hair rubber band and then put it down and folding it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next you have to make a ponytail and fix this bun foam. Now spread the hairs around it like this. Now we have to divide the hairs as shown in the video. Separate it from the between and then rotate it upward like this and fold the rest of the hairs on the sides and put the hair clip like this. And your hairstyle is done. Next you have to divide the hairs and then make the plaits on each section of the hairs like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Now fold it upward and fix it on the alternative sides using this hair clutch. So fix the hairs like this and put it in the between also and it's done. Next we have to take the hairs like this and make the plaits. Now after that we have to take the hairs, tie it like this and then divide the hairs on the top and put it like this. Now rotate it. Now after that fix the hairs and tie them with the help of a rubber band. Make the plaits and fold it upward and fix it like this. Spread the hairs and put the hairpin like this. And put a hair clutch on the top as well and it's done. Next we have to make a ponytail. Put this hair clip. Now divide the hairs into three parts and then fix them each inside the hair section clips like this. So you can see how we have done it. Now tie the hairs on the top all together. Now fold it down and fix it using the hairpin and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.